Another day, another all-time high for Bitcoin. Bitcoin touches almost 42,000 on various exchanges. Bitcoin mining difficulty hits record high amid miner revenue surge. Why is Bitcoin going up and will it crash soon? What's next as price doubles to 40k? Traders can now bet on Bitcoin 300k as options keep pace with rising price. Crypto user loses over 100k in Bitcoin while transferring his wallet. So if you guys like this kind of video and content, don't forget to my channel and hit a like button and watch this until the end. So let's check it out. Hello guys and welcome back to another episode of Crypto Guy. Let's start from crypto and fear greed index, and here you can say it's already extreme greed. It's already on 94 from the last almost a month. Let's go and have a quick view on coin market cap, and here you can see that Bitcoin has been up in 7 days almost 17%. Ethereum is almost more than double his price. So if you put like $1,000 in Ethereum, you already been making double of it. And same about XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and even if you go and see Bitcoin SV was also up like 52%. I mean that's so it's mean the all season is here and all coins are booming. So you just have to pick a good project, wait for a dip. When there is a dip, buy it and you can sell it high as soon as it hit 10%, 15%. But don't forget to take your profit. This would be your scenario that how you have to earn profit, because most of the traders just buy it, hold it and never take profit. So just choose a good coin like Litecoin, Polkadot. I will go for a Chainlink. When it's a good dip, buy a huge amount and sell it on 20%. Don't wait for 50%, don't wait for 60%. Just make your profit out and come out. So that's how you make money in crypto industry. Okay guys, so here we have Bitcoin US dollar 4 hour chart, and here you can see that the Bitcoin is trading above 40,100, and we have a perfectly rebound from 4 hour 20 weekly moving average, and it was a good position for long, and you can always put like 5%, 2 to 5% stop loss, and then you can put about, I will just go about 42%. That would be about something like 10 to 15% trade, and you can make a good money out of it. But it was just a normal dip, so the RSI can go down and normal, and we can go push more higher. So I think that would be a good rebound. And if we go and watch on 1 hour chart, here you can see that we are still a little bit shy on 1 hour chart, but definitely as we are above 400 40,500, then we are exactly more bullish. And definitely the next target, I will say that we have to break 42,000. After 42, that would be 45,000. And on 1 day chart, if we go and see that RSI has been topped out, there can be a possibility, but you can see now we are going sideways, and there's an opportunity that in this bull run we are just trying to consolidate and trying to cool down the RSI so we can go up again. And even if we come back until 32,300 or 32,500, that would be a perfect dip to buy and accumulate Bitcoin. That would be my bearish target. But if you go and see on 1 week chart, and here you can see that parabolic move, I mean it's just going up straight. Nothing can go to the moon like that. Even if you are going to the moon, you have to cool down and you have to come and dip and go a little bit sideways. So even the weekly chart is going about 20,000. I mean, there's a possibility that we can come about 20,000, which I don't think so gonna happen very soon. So I think 4 hour chart, I will just want to see about 4 hour chart. We have a perfectly dip. We just have to see. And on 1 day chart, it would be 32,500. So these are the my short term bearish and short term bullish target will be 42,000, and once we have broke 42,000, definitely then we are aiming about 45,000. Okay, so here we have Ethereum US dollar 4 hour chart, and as you guys can see that Ethereum is very bullish, and we have found a very strong spot on 1300, which is very good even on 4 hour chart. And if we start from 1 hour chart, we are breaking this 20 weekly moving average, and it's a good point for a re-entry. RS is looking very nice. We have a small bearish diversion, but we can go greens from here, so I think that could be a good entry to long Ethereum at the moment, and we can put the stop loss about 12.95. And if we go on 4 hour chart and see that we have perfectly rebound for 20 weekly moving average, and that's what I am always telling you guys, it will go up, it will come back, have a rebound, go up, it will come back, have a retest of 20 weekly moving average, and will go up. And unless we don't break this on 4 hour chart or and 1 hour chart, we are bullish. And even if we go on 1 day chart, you can see that we are far away from that, we are in a bull run. And even if it's come down under 1,000 US dollar, that would be a spot I will talking about. But if we able to move forward, and if we able to break 1,350, and I think definitely we can establish ground above that 1,400, the next target will be about 2,000 or 2,500 US dollar one Ethereum, because it's very bullish and trend is your friend. And the trend is right now is just going up, up, up at the moment. And even if you see the performance from the last 1 year, even if you have invested like only 17 100 US dollar, you have already make 18% in 1 month. You already make over 100%. I mean, that's insane, guys. You get just doubling your money every month. So keep an eye on this level, watch to break about 1350, and then there is a, we are going above on the 2000, and the next point will be 2500. Okay, so now we have some exciting crypto news, and let's start with this first crypto news. Why we have is, why is Bitcoin going up and will it crash soon? What next as price double to 40k? And here we can something and points when we can talk about it, that demand from institutional buyers, many of them eyeing Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. And that's what I'm going to tell, that this is e-gold, this is digital gold. So the price will definitely go up, and the market cap is only 21 million. The US dollar is declining in foreign exchange market. They are printing and the printer is going brrr. That's a funny noise. And definitely when that's do that, it's mean that we have to hold the amount of our purchasing power in some other thing, and which is Bitcoin. Retail purchasers are jumping in. Many big companies, international companies, are just investing like 5% of their portfolio in Bitcoin, and that will take the price to 100,000 very soon. And Bitcoin has been and remain extremely volatile. I mean, there have been swings go up, it can swings go down, but at the end of the day, it will stable around, and the price will eventually go up. There's like to be a taking profit along the way, causing temporary dips, and that's the moment when you buy, accumulate the Bitcoin. Okay, there's another interesting news that traders can now bet on Bitcoin 300k as option key pairs with rising price. Oh my god. I mean, people are start talking about 300k. My target for this year was 50k, or even I have raised it until 100k. But now you can see that this is a potential price target for Bitcoin. And this is a very famous exchange, Deribit. We have added the Bitcoin 300k strike in December 21 expiry, so you almost have like 1 year, and if you want you can definitely go and take that one. Here is the chart or the screenshot of that thing, and here you can see the 300,000, even if 200,000 people have took something. I mean, you just have to pay only 4,400, and if it get, definitely you are getting a lot of profit. So I mean, if you want to bet high, definitely bet high, maximum profit, maximum risk. Okay, let's move to another story for crypto. Bitcoin mining difficulty hits record high amid miner revenue surge, and this means that Bitcoin is getting stronger, the network is getting more stronger, it's increasing the security around Bitcoin, and your transactions are not going to be loose. Bitcoin mining difficulty just reached a record high above 20.6 trillion as more people are mining at a larger scale than ever before, thanks to blooming mining revenue and Bitcoin's parabolic price rally. I mean, frankly speaking, for a one miner, I think one Bitcoin can cost about 10 to 15,000 US dollar, and then you can just sell it on market out double price, making it insanely high. The major minor problem is that it have to be ASIC shortest signal, because I'm not you cannot mine it from GPU. It have to be very specific instruments which is called ASIC miners, and they are very expensive, and only can big players can handle this. But if you still want to go for Bitcoin mining, I think definitely it's a profitable business. Here we have very interesting news, and I'm always telling you, my subscribers and followers, that always be careful. Crypto users loses over 100k in Bitcoin while transferring his wallet. A Bitcoin user has shared his story how he lost more than 100,000 in Bitcoin during a wallet transfer. The Bitcoin attempt to transfer a wallet to a new computer without making sure that he access to the encryption password tied to his private key storage. And according to the testimony, public unknown and claimed to have lost 2.6 Bitcoin from the transfer of his wallet to a new computer during the Christmas holiday. He wiped out the hard disks of all computers which he wanted to use only for work-related matters. However, he did not check the password manager he used to store the passphrases needed to access the wallet private keys. I mean, oh my God. Let's start with Bitcoin. Too important. To import the private key, I just have to decrypt the file from one to the other USB. Just import it. The terminal now asks for the password. No problem. I have all my password in my password manager, which I trust 100%. I go to my password manager to grab it, and it's not there. No mention of a Bitcoin password anywhere to be found. I spent the next 30 minutes rechecking, but it's not. It's 100% my fault anyway. I mean, you are your own bank. You are the keys. You have the access to your private keys. It's not your keys, it's not your Bitcoin, and that's how people are losing Bitcoin. And definitely the supply is getting less, and you always have to be 100% sure before you make it the move, and you have to check it double if you have the private keys. And definitely I would never recommend you to keep your Bitcoin on an exchange, on Coinbase, on Binance. Just keep those exchanges which you want to make a trade off, and only rest you can just put it in your hardware wallet like Ledger, paper wallet, and keep the private key safe. I think that's all for today, guys. And if you haven't liked my video, or you haven't liked my channel, please go to Crypto Guy, like, subscribe, watch it until the end, leave a comment. Take care of yourself, and until that, bye bye.